Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of kitchen organization with a sleek and practical solution that's been turning heads: the Spectrum Diversified Kitchen Euro Lid Organizer. Stay tuned as we explore why this might just be the best over-door cutting board holder out there. If you're tired of rummaging through your cabinets for the right lid or stacking your bakeware like a game of Jenga, then this might just be the solution you've been looking for. The Spectrum Diversified Euro Lid Organizer is designed to clear up precious cupboard space and keep your kitchen essentials neatly organized. So, what makes this lid organizer stand out from the crowd? Let's take a closer look at its features. Crafted from sturdy steel with a sleek chrome finish, this organizer not only adds a modern touch to your kitchen but also ensures durability and strength. With its compact dimensions of 4.5 inches in diameter, 13.5 inches in width, and 4.25 inches in height, it's designed to fit seamlessly into your cabinet or countertop space. One of the standout features of this organizer is its versatility. It's not just for lids. It can also hold plates, pots, pans, bakeware, cookie sheets, muffin tins, and even office files and folders. With 9 vertical rungs creating 8 storage spaces, you'll have plenty of room to keep your kitchen essentials within easy reach. Now, let's see this organizer in action. Whether you choose to stand it up vertically or lay it horizontally, it's designed to maximize storage space and make grabbing your kitchen essentials a breeze. No more fumbling through stacks of pans or lids. Everything has its place with the Spectrum Diversified Euro Lid Organizer. And there you have it, folks, the Spectrum Diversified Kitchen Euro Lid Organizer. With its stylish design, durable construction, and practical functionality, it's truly a game-changer for any kitchen. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to organized bliss. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations on the best products out there. Until next time, happy organizing!